Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mr. B's Buildings. We're at Stockport Air Raid Centre, Air Raid Shelter. I'll show you the sign at the end of the visit, but I thought it was dark when I come in. So I'm just going to turn you around and show best I can. So you could, first of all, it's a £5 to come in, people. So yeah, look at this, people. Just going through the old red shelters here. Just having a look round here, people. Inside here. What a fabulous building, guys. We had to look at that. Warden, people. Like I said, I did film it at the beginning, but I had to pay, but I pressed stop, so I weren't going to go out and do suspicious. So yeah, we'll have a look round here, people. Don't know if you can see through there, people. But yeah, we're in the red shelters here. Look at these benches here, people. Like I said, it's a £5 to get in. Nearest parking space for your car is the shopping centre just up the road, which is 2 minutes up the road. Number 11 there. Wow. To be used in tools to be used in case of emergency. This tool store will be opened in the event of bomb damage and tunnel. Sick bay this way. Look at this, people. Wow. Wow, look at that. Let's have a look up here, eh? Look down here. Let's go down here again, people. Look at that lamp there. Excuse me. Yeah, this was your sick bay here. I hope you're enjoying this, people. We've just been in there anyway. And this is here. Public toilet not open. And again, people, this is the first aid room here, as you saw before. Let's look at these bits in here. And your tool store here. The old kitchen bit. Let's look in here. Got your own curtain here, people. Wow. What a sight for you people. Look at that sink. That's amazing. Like I said, we're just in here. We're not going to talk because you're not allowed to do videos unless you got permission in here. So we're just doing it on a bit of a whim, people. You know what I mean? But it's got to be done. It's got to be done, this. It's just got to be done. Look at that, people. I don't know if you can see all the airbags on there. But yeah, there's the air raid shelter. Like you said, you can't see in there. You'd have to come with a bit of a torch to have a look round here, people. Be nice if they had lights in there. But that's an old air raid shelter there. So we're going up here to this bit. Through these tunnels for you people. As I say, people, I'm doing this on a bit of a whim here. Because you're not allowed to film in here. But it is £5 to get in. So I thought I'm going to show you some of these boards here. Some boards down here. But we're not going to look at them. Oh, this is bricked up here, guys. Yeah, what a magnificent thing here. Let's look in here. Some more toilets here, people. Don't know what that be in the day. Look at them, just sat down on there. And whatever you want to do. what these are. Can't really see that, people, because I've not got a torch, but there's some stairs up there. Let me have a look. Just 2 brick wall, that. So wherever that went in the day, I don't know. Leave the shelters in an orderly fashion when the all clear sounds. If you are bombed out and have no friends to go to, ask a policeman or a warden whether yes and to this. Right, we're going to be a bit quiet because I don't want to be caught in here with a camera. Try and hide the camera. That's the way out, people. I'm gonna go back that way. Scoot past it. Just scoot past it. Yeah, we're just gonna have a look down here. Like I said, we've been down here, so we'll have a look at some of these boards for you people. Yeah, people, look at these wooden. Yeah, I think I've come to the end here, people, because through that door there is the exit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it, but look at this sign before we get out of here. Yeah. Right, I'm going to pause it and just have a look, see if there's anything else interesting, then I'm going to get out. Going to have a look at these boards for you people. Just going to show you these boards. Yeah. I'm not going to read them all for you because we'll be here for a while. Right, I'm going to try something, so bear with me. Some of posters here on the walls. So we're going to just have a quick look at these for you. Then there's one up there, so let's pause it. We got this device here.
I know it can be quite grim down here at the old Chestergate Hotel, but there'll be some sort of entertainment later. You can join in the sing-songs, or maybe darts. I heard the Plaza Entertainers might perform later on.
Right, let's go and look at this next shot. Like I said, I don't know what it is. I think you point them to them and then they're supposed to talk to you.
Now we come to the, shall we say, less That's it. All in. Then we shall begin. The shelters.
Wow, what a building. Right, let's look at this board. That's just showing you bits of the old where it is. So
Stockport Express, 1914. 10 points for the emergency committee. The Stockport Express urges Stockport.
can't really see, really. We've gone back to this kitchen here, like a little. This canteen was run by the Women's Voluntary Service. Tea is available from the canteen. Stockport Corporation would like to thank the WVS for running the canteen. Tea and hot water is available, including water for hot water bottles. Remember, bring your bottles. It is now offence to misuse or willfully destroy milk bottles or to remain them without reason. Tip for making the most of your tea routine at home. You can save that extra one for the pot if you get the best out of your tea. As soon as the kettle is boiled, you should be ready with the well-warmed teapot. The teapot should come to the kettle, not the kettle to the teapot. You should give enough time to brew and stir. It is just before pouring. If you do all of these, your ration will go further. Look at this, people. The old Oxford tin. This must be the little fridge. Wow, it's like wooden. That's a wooden cupboard. Right. I think I've done in here. I've took you down here before, so I think I've done in here, people. So I think I'll make my way to the exit, and then I'll pause this. Let's see if we have been down here. Just one more time for you there. But yeah, look at these holes in the wall here. And up here, what's that? Right, people, there's holes in the wall everywhere here. So I don't know what they'd be. Right, I'm going to go and make my way out. Right, I'm going to pause it, then I'll film you outside the building. And then we'll wrap it up down there. But the old wheelbarrow there, people. Right, let's make our way out. Like I said, it's been nearly 20 minutes now. So let's make our way out. It's 19 minutes, this video. But look at the pipes going in the wall. I think they're bits of these lights here. I don't know what these will be. What them would have been in the day. Right, let's go up here. Let's not bore you much more. I'm going to pause it now. I'm going to walk up here and get out of here, then wrap it up outside. So, yeah, just bear with me, people. Like I said, you're not allowed to film in here. But unfortunately, Mr. Bees has been in. When you come in, there's a big screen. You look at a screen, and then they say turn left, and it's a little tunnel, like a dark tunnel you go under, and then a red door. But I thought I couldn't film. That's why I stopped filming, because I thought, oh, it'll just be dark. And then I had to get my torch out, and I saw the red door. So unfortunately, filming from the front of the building to coming in here would have been ideal, but we're going to have to do it on the way back. So I'm getting out here now, people. So I'm going to pause it and hide this phone in my pocket and get out of here. Okay, people, thanks very much. We'll see you in a minute. Right, people, so let me tell you where this air shelter is. To the left is the old shopping centre. And then, like, to your right here is Stockport tours. Just let me go across the road. Yeah, this is Stockport air shelters. And let's look on the wall here. But yeah, look at these. Well, air raid shelters. Excavated 1939 to 1938, sorry, to 1939. Coronated 4,500 people during World War II air raids, which reached their peak at Christmas 1940. Reopened to the public visits in 1989, the Metropolitan of Stockport, and it's a heritage trail which is up here. So I'm going to go up here across the road, take a view of this and maybe tell you how to get to it. So if you see Primark here, which is in like the shopping centre behind me, just here is Stockport Air Raid Shelter Tours. Like I said, it's £5 to get in. You're not really allowed to film in there, but unfortunately Mr. Bees did. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to say thanks for watching, people. Hope you enjoyed the little video. Big thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Like I said, thanks very much, people. See you soon. Bye bye.